just got done my own little red light session with this lovely device, and so I put it on my shoulders and the back of my neck area for 5 minutes, and then I used it on my abdominal area for 4 minutes to help me with my I had a lower rib injury a couple years ago, and every now and then it gets a little tweaked, especially with our puppy that we have now, Cody. He likes to jolt a little bit with that leash when I have him outside with me. But anyways, I just want to share this with you guys quickly again, because there's so many benefits to red light therapy, you guys. And it doesn't have to be used, only on the abdominal area. So this one is called a red light therapy belt. And sorry, don't mind my little mess I got here in my bathroom, but anyways, it's large enough to go around the your back or around the front of your abdomen. And of course, yes, there are precautions and safety guidelines, like, as the booklet says here. Okay. And there are safety warnings and all that stuff too. However, let me go back to the page, the first page in the front. Right here, like, there's so many benefits to this, you guys. Look down at the bottom. Boost liver function, pain relief. You guys can read that, right? And then I just don't want to go too close because it'll blur out on me. And then this over here. And feel free to pause the video too here so you guys can read through it better. But I just want to encourage you guys, use red light therapy as part of your alternative way of healing whatever it is that you've got going on. Knee pain, back pain, neck pain, digestive issues. I could go on, you guys. It literally helps with just about everything. It can even help people who are dealing with more serious health concerns. I have to be careful with what I say here because I don't want to get flagged or anything, but cancer is one of them that this can also help with. And it does say, I will share this real quick. I just gotta find it here real quick, you guys. It's not there. I do need to find it here. So I want to say it's over here. Maybe. I'm trying to see here. Oh my goodness. It does say somewhere in here. I just read it before I started my red light therapy use, but anyways, it does say that it can help with the C word that ends in an R, and that's not the greatest at all to get for a diagnosis, that's for sure. And but I will say that that problem, I guess you could say, that health issue, that health diagnosis is actually from parasites. So you just need to do an anti-parasitic and all the things. But anyways, okay, this is getting longer than I anticipated. But again, this is another great feature, great tool to add to your regimen for alternative therapies that can definitely help you. I'm going to be helping a friend of mine tomorrow. She's going to be using this not directly on herself, but like maybe a half an inch or so away from her abdominal area, because she was dealing with some H. pylori issues and has just not been feeling the greatest for the last 2 years. And I want to be able to help her. And so this will be able to help her. And I'm excited to see what it's going to bring for results for her as she consistently uses it and has sessions with me and all that. So anyways, there's that, you guys. I hope you all are doing well. I just wanted to share a little bit more of that. I know I've shared a little bit in here before, but again, use some red light therapy. It'll help you out. All right, guys, take care. Talk soon. Ciao for now.